Hi friends, today we'll discuss about employees deposit linked insurance. This life insurance scheme covers all active members of the employees provident fund. If you are a member of employees provident fund, you are covered under this scheme. The employees provident fund EPFO recently hiked the death insurance benefit for all subscribers under the employees deposit linked insurance scheme. So EPFO increased the insurance coverage limits for all the subscribers. The minimum death cover has been increased to 2.5 lakhs effective from February 15, 2020. The maximum benefit under the scheme has also been hiked to 7 lakhs from 6 lakhs. These new limits will be in effect for 3 years from April 28, 2021. Means another 3 years means up to 2024. These new limits are applicable. Why is it important? On the unfortunate event of death of an employee who is a member of EPFO scheme or you are under EDLI scheme, family members receive assured benefits. These benefits under this scheme is based on the monthly wages. Monthly wages are basic plus DA and are the average balance in the member's PF account subject to minimum and maximum limits. Monthly wages here are capped at 15,000 rupees. As per the recent amendment, the benefits is calculated by using the following formula. Average monthly wage drawn during the preceding 12 months into 35 plus 50% of the average PF balance during last 12 months subject to ceiling of 1,75,000. Irrespective of the formula, the minimum benefit will not be less than 2.5 lakhs if the employee has continuously worked for 12 months. So as per this formula, if you are getting only 2 lakhs, the minimum benefit is 2.5 lakhs. So if you are continuously working for 12 months and if your PF is deducted from the employer and it is going to the PF office, then you are eligible for 2.5 lakhs minimum benefit. The average monthly wage of the employee in the 12 months preceding his death is 20,000 and the average PF balance is period is 2 lakhs. The benefit in this case will be 7 lakhs. So 15,000 into 35 plus 1.75 lakhs. The figures in the below formula 35 times 1.75 lakhs and 2.5 lakhs were earlier 30 times 1.5 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. The benefit under scheme will be payable to the nominee mentioned by the employee. When PF account is opened, employee would have given the nominee details. So under this scheme, this amount will be paid to the nominee only. If no nomination is registered, his spouse will get these benefit or unmarried daughters and minor sons will be beneficiaries. Why should I care? Monetary support would help meet the immediate financial needs of the family, especially if the deceased is the breadwinner. Once all the documents such as form number 15, if death certificate and copy of the cancelled check are provided and the claim is accepted, the EPFO will settle the claim within 30 days. Usually experts advise having a life cover equal to 10 times of your annual income. So if your annual income is 5 lakhs rupees, then your life cover should be 50 lakhs. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.